Well, I don't even know what we're actually...
So,
right, we have the Crown E90 here, 330i. You'll probably have seen from the Nürburgring vlog that we've got that the Golf had quite a few issues. So the Crown boys helped us out. Let us rent the cars. Obviously Josh had the Clio, had the E90. It's got the NS2R tyres on it, DS 3000 pads on standard brakes. Inside we've got it all stripped out, bucket seats, harnesses, half a cage. We're pretty much good to go with that. Done 6 laps in it today. Having had all the issues with the Golf, this is probably what I'm going to go for next. Having driven this is the first time I've really driven a rear-wheel drive car in anger, and it's pretty impressive. It's a lot of car for the money. It keeps up with some pretty astounding cars, and whilst it's not the nicest looking car, I will admit that, it does the job and it keeps on going. I've no issues doing back-to-back laps in this. I only did one set kind of today, but yeah, it does everything I wanted to do, and it's reliable. NA power is the way to go. So if you are out here and you are in the same position, just hit the Crown up on Facebook or Instagram and we'll sort you out.